Hello everyone. I am doing a basket wall. I've been showing you all those wonderful baskets that I've been getting. So I've been getting them from the thrift stores and I've been getting them from other stores, Hobby Lobby, Target. So now it's the big day. I'm arranging all of my baskets on the floor to see what position I want my baskets on the wall. Then these baskets range from 99 cents to $4.99. So, hope you enjoy. Now I am spraying some of my baskets. All of them did not come in the earth tones that I was looking for. So what I did was went to Walmart, bought some spray paint, and I just sprayed the baskets. I sprayed them different colors because some of the baskets I was going to use in another project. But I had fun spraying. Now, what I should have done is put on gloves. I did not do that. I paid the price, washing my hands for 30 minutes. So next time, I will wear my gloves. Now I'm going back to rearrange my baskets on the floor. Here's the wall that I will be using. Here I go. Okay, here's my basket wall. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun. Take care. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.